Hello traders, are you frustrated watching your chart, hoping and waiting for the market to reach your desired area of interest or area of value? In this video, I'm going to teach you the easiest and most effective ways of setting alerts in TradingView and MetaTrader platforms so as to make your trading extremely simple. Stay tuned. So how do you set the alerts? All you have to do is just identify the points where you want to set your alert. For instance, if I want the market to reach 50% of this daily area of value or area of interest, but I don't know when it will reach there, so all I have to do is just set an alert. In just 2 clicks, all you have to do is right click, go on trading and say alert, click on alert in just 2 clicks. So the alert is there. If the market reaches this zone and tries to cross this alert, it will start ringing. We can test it like this. Okay, that is how it will be ringing. Another thing is you can decide to modify this alert and set it to notification. This means every time it reaches here, you'll receive a notification on your phone. However, in order for the notification to be successful, you need to come here on options, click on notifications, then you enable push notifications, then you feed in this MetaQuotes ID. Make sure the MetaQuotes ID that you feed in has to be exactly the one that is on your MT4 platform on the mobile phone that you want to receive the notification on. Then you click OK. Sometimes if you want to even get notifications when you trade, when a trade hits your stop loss or target, you can notify you can click on notify of trade transactions. Okay, but I'm going to leave this one out for now. So how do you find your MetaQuotes ID? You simply go on your mobile phone, click on settings, then click on charts and messages. From there you go extreme bottom. This is where you find your MetaQuotes ID. Make sure you don't make a mistake, otherwise it won't work, it won't go through. So you can still set an alert down here if you want. In just 2 clicks, right click, trading, alerts. Okay, if the market comes down here, you will get notified. For TradingView, let's assume I want to set an alert on this trend line. The market was around here, and if the market came back to this trend line, I wanted to get notified. So all you have to do is simple. Just click on the trend line, then you click on alerts, then create. Okay, then you wait a few seconds until it's something like this. When something like an alarm gets shows on the trend line, that means your alert is set. So when the market comes back to this trend line, the moment it tries to cross the trend line, I'll get notified, and then I'll look for my entry signal and pull the trigger. So I don't have to be there waiting for the market to reach my trend line. I just have to set an alert. So that example was for the trend line, but let's assume I want the market to reach a horizontal area of value or area of interest. So all you have to do is just identify your area of value, then you right click, then add alerts. Okay, simple. So your alert will be created. In a few seconds you can come here and check. You can see both of them are active. Yeah, so that is how you set your alert. For the free version, for the paid version, I think you can set over 20 alerts, but for the free version, I think you're only allowed to set only 1 alert. Yeah, okay. For this one, you can set over 20 alerts. Another thing you can do, you can come here on alerts, then you click on edit. So you set notifications here, notify in app. So if you have the app on your phone, on your mobile phone, every time the market reaches where you want it, you'll get a notification. Okay, so you can also tick on email address, send email. So every time the market reaches where you want, you'll receive an email immediately. Okay, in my opinion, TradingView alerts are far better than MetaTrader, because with MetaTrader you have to actually be online. For instance, for the alert to be effective, you actually have to have the MT4 platform or MT5 platform opened. So I don't know why they haven't yet worked on that, but I hope in future they will modify that simple issue. You see, with TradingView I can close the charts and just go anywhere as long as I have my phone and I'm online. The moment the market reaches my trend line and it has an alert on, or it reaches my area of value and it has an alert, I'll get notified. Another good thing about TradingView, you can actually set alerts on the moving averages and actually on the trend line, because this trend line option is not there on MetaTrader. So yeah, for alerts I think TradingView is far better than MetaTrader. So I hope this video simplifies your trading in general, especially while waiting for the market to reach exactly where you want it, to look for entry signals. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.